Welcome to Epstein, Becker, Green's Employment Law This Week podcast. I'm George Whipple. 2 weeks from today, California employers will need to comply with sweeping new AI regulations. Effective October 1st, these regulations will impact how businesses use automated tools in hiring, promotions, and workplace decisions. The new regulations target potential discriminatory practices in employers' use of artificial intelligence. They cover any automated decision system, or ADS, which includes algorithms. Employers must retain ADS records and ADS-related data for 4 years. Employers across the country are likely to see more regulations like these in the near future. However, the current regulatory climate brings uncertainty about what that will look like in each state. Epstein, Becker, Green's Fran Green tells us more.
California appears to be somewhat of a bellwether with respect to artificial intelligence tools and systems and their regulation. There is going to be, we think, a split among certain states with respect to the regulations and how stringent that they want the regulations to be, in view of the fact that, for all intents and purposes, the new Trump AI Action Plan is creating a national AI policy, one that is spurring on, or the intention is to spur on, innovation, perhaps over regulation. The state's response to this, as we are seeing, has been varied.
That innovation means the technology is moving faster than the regulations, and employers are concerned about maintaining compliance. To address that concern, Fran suggests that employers conduct risk assessments of AI tools and policies.
Even when not required by law, risk assessments are exceedingly important for an organization to be able to determine what risks there are, both technical, legal, and social, to the individual or the organization that is utilizing the artificial intelligence tool. In line with this, the use of a risk assessment and the implementation of risk assessment really are consonant with privacy assessments and also cybersecurity audits. And in most organizations, cybersecurity audits and monitoring, as well as privacy audits, are generally undertaken. Artificial intelligence risk assessments are part of that synergy because they all interact and depend on each other for all intents and purposes.
Thanks, Fran, and thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.
This podcast is presented by Epstein, Becker, and Green, PC. All rights are reserved. This audio recording includes information about legal issues and legal developments. Such materials are for informational purposes only and may not reflect the most current legal developments. These informational materials are not intended and should not be taken as legal advice on any particular set of facts or circumstances, and these materials are not a substitute for the advice of competent counsel. The content reflects the personal views and opinions of the participants. No attorney-client relationship has been created by this audio recording. This audio recording may be considered attorney advertising in some jurisdictions under the applicable law and ethical rules. The determination of the need for legal services and the choice of a lawyer are extremely important decisions and should not be based solely upon advertisements or self-proclaimed expertise. No representation is made that the quality of legal services to be performed is greater than the quality of legal services performed by other lawyers.